Okay, so page updates. Right here is for the window cleaning. I added the video you wanted added. So that is done. 1 second here while I coded this. Make sure we hit update over here, which should update it better. Okay. And then when we go to pages, I went over to the roof cleaning page and I checked this out. I'm not finding any problems with the video. It's working fine as far as I can tell. I ran it on my browser. It came out fine. It's not showing any evidence of being problematic over here. It looked fine. So I can't tell what the problem is. Like when I look at it on a different browser, it's fine. So I'm not quite sure what's going on here. Let me see if I can actually bring this over so you can see it on just a random browser. Yeah, it's fine here. So I don't know what's going on. But otherwise, that part is done. So page elements are fixed. Part one's set. Thank you. All right, so I went through a huge swath of the images and got all the way to January of last year. But as you can now see, the images all have descriptions that should have. Something very interesting I've noticed, by the way, is every now and then, that's because I put in the caption, that's why. Every now and then it doesn't go where it's supposed to. Don't ask, it's a weird thing. I don't get it. Like I do it in the blog, but it doesn't do it in the actual image. But going through here, you'll see the rest of the images now have alt text and descriptions. This is relevant to the SEO for these images. So I made sure that the SEO matches. That way it'll be counted amongst the SEO stuff. But as you can see, these now have all the necessary things. Oh, they like disassembly, blah, blah, blah. Yes, so, because it's there now where it should have been. Still holiday light disassembly, holiday light disassembly. There's a lot of images with this one, by the way, where there were multiple blogs. These all have alt text now, descriptions. This now matches. Again, I made sure that we have, these are SEO matchy plus descriptive, depending. So yeah, we are good to go. This was all the way through January. So, and that's January of 2023, mind you. So every image going up to January 2023 now has a description and an alt text to it. So that should clean up the SEO very nicely. So that should help. All right, that is that. Thank you. If you want a further video where I go through absolutely all of these, I can just keep going. There's a lot of images, but you'll see they all have alt text and descriptions now. That wasn't really an image. But yeah. Alt text and description all the way through. So we are good. All right. Thank you very much for playing.